high-level talks between India and US. The news in detail. On October 27th, India and the US are working to finalize a key military pact on geospatial cooperation during high-level talks as they intensify engagement with two other members of the so-called Quad grouping, Australia and Japan, to challenge what they see an increasingly assertive China in the Indo-Pacific region. US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and Secretary of Defense Mark Esper will visit New Delhi to participate in the third edition of the Indo-US 2+2 ministerial dialogue with their counterparts S. Jaishankar and Rajnath Singh respectively. The third Indo-US 2+2 ministerial dialogue will entail a comprehensive discussion on cross-cutting bilateral issues of mutual interest. In addition, both sides will also exchange views on salient regional and global issues, said Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Anurag Srivastava during a weekly briefing with journalists. On Wednesday, Mr. Pompeo had said talks during his visit will include discussions on how free nations can work together to thwart threats posed by the Chinese Communist Party. However, the Ministry of External Affairs did not respond to a specific question about whether LAC tensions and the ongoing talks with China would feature during the 2+2 meeting, nor would Mr. Srivastava comment on which agreements, including the geospatial agreement BECA, would be signed at the meetings, adding that he would rather not prejudge the outcomes of the visit. India and US have a comprehensive global strategic partnership which includes political, security and defense, economic, commercial, technology and people-to-people contacts. We have regular dialogue for various levels to discuss ongoing bilateral cooperation and to exchange views on developments in the region, the MEA statement said. Deputy Secretary of State Stephen Biegun called for a fundamental alignment along shared security, geopolitical goals. India and the United States have been too cautious when it comes to China's concerns about their strategic ties, said a senior US official. US Deputy Secretary of State Stephen Biegun said the Washington respects India's tradition of strategic autonomy and did not seek to pull it into a security alliance but hoped to build a partnership in the region through the Quad. Mr. Biegun said the talks will be held later this year, although sources indicated that the 2+2 is scheduled for October 26 and 27. The arrival of senior US officials, including Mr. Biegun, less than a month before the US presidential elections is unusual, especially given curtailed travel during the coronavirus pandemic and the fact that Mr. Jaishankar and Mr. Pompeo just met for the Quad ministerial dialogue in Tokyo last week. However, the sources suggested that an exception for the US is indicative of the close personal ties shared between the Trump administration and the Modi government. News Desk, Karma News.